Welcome back, guys. So every time I go to Ghana, I have to get my nails done. So I found a new salon and I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm finally in the nail salon and getting my nails and toes done. I like to do my holiday prep in Accra because doing it in England is long. So once I get this done, I'm ready to go. And this spa is so nice, guys. Like, I really recommend it. Oh, okay. Because I don't want to bother people, so.
You can, if you like, you can just take everybody here.
Oh.
We are celebrities.
Oh.
I'm going to look for this thing. Now, cut I see you can look for. After they follow you. Now, why is there? Man is
Don't be 250 now. 10 becomes 50. That picture of the nest.
Yeah.
Show me. Let me see the color again. Let me see the. Maybe the is it white or? There's white. White is with.
Yeah, white.
Oh, look it.
Pink.
Choose the pink color. I just want to know maybe white. Is it white or another
Yeah.
color? Give the bill, they were like, oh, if you don't have the money, you can't start the work. Maybe they want to operate. You say, if your money is, you don't bring half of it, you can't start the. So the person is dying.
Yeah.
I was like, the half of it, why can't you pay it out of your own money? So when they bring it, you will have to know. Some patients have, so many people have died because of that thing. Some people can't afford even those to eat.
Yeah.
They can't afford. So when they come to hospital, at least you will be able to help them.
Yeah.
That's the purpose of my. I want to be a doctor, so I want to help. At least so far that I pay me my salary.
Yeah.
We're helping them. So at the end of the day, we can't finish our secondary school stuff, you know.
Yeah.
So we continue to drop out. Yeah.
Are you doing? It's not safe though. Oh, it's safe.
It's set. Thank you.
Hey, Okoye.
No, no.
Senior one. I respect how see.
It looks amazing.
Make her relax.
Relax.
Ashley.
It looks amazing.
Oh,
I love it.
it's nice.
I love it.
Okoye.
No, no.
It's
I want to take it.
small to you.
It's
Okay, bring it up, small.
I beg, relax down, right? Ashley.
yeah.
Big one.
Relax down, okay?
Okay.
Do it. You can do it.
Nice. Yeah.
No, put it back. You bring it in small.
Okay.
Do it, guys. I think that one will be okay. Keep this one.